Your story is your life. Nobody cares about your story until you win. One day, a certain professor entered the classroom and asked the student to prepare for a surprise test. They waited anxiously on their desk for the test to begin. The professor handed out the question paper with the text facing down as usual. Once he handed all out, he asked the student to turn the page and begin. To everyone's surprise, there were no questions, just a black dot in the center of the page. The professor, seeing the expression on everyone's face, told them the following. "I want you to write what you see there," he said. The confused students got started on the following inexplicable task. At the end of the class, the professor took all the answers and started reading each one of them aloud in front of all the students. All of them, with no exception, described the black dot, trying to explain its position in the middle of the sheet. After all he has read, the classroom was silent. The professor began to explain. "I'm not going to grade on this," he said. "I just want to give you something to think about." No one wrote about the white part of the paper. Everyone focused on the black dot. And the same happens in our lives. We have a white paper to observe and enjoy, but we often focus on the dark spot. Our lives are a gift from God with love and care. We always have reason to celebrate. Nature renewing itself every day. Our friends around us, the jobs that provide our livelihood, and the miracles we see every day. However, we insist on focusing only on the dark spot, the health issue that bothers us, the lack of money, and the complicated relationship with family members, the disappointment with friends. The dark spots are very small compared to everything we have in our lives today, but they are the ones polluting our minds. The moral of this story is about we have positive and negative times along the way in our lives, but we must always concentrate on the positive for a healthier and happy life. Life goes on no matter what happens. Do not waste time thinking about negativities. This is Solid Goals.